$1 million is and is not a lot of money. The first million is the hardest, which is what people mean when they say it takes money to make money. Once you make the first million, your money starts doing the hard work. So let's get those $1 million. Hello brewers. Welcome back to Dollar Brew, where we create and inspire future billionaires. In today's video, we will be exploring 12 crazy ways to make $1 million. Financial freedom and stability open up many exciting doors in life. Plus, they close doors of anxiety and worry over paying bills or buying meals. Despite a common desire for wealth, though, many people are not able to reach that point. One large reason is that it is challenging, and another is that making money often involves taking chances. That said, it is totally possible to make $1 million in a short amount of time by taking calculated risks and by having the right approach. Unless you hit the jackpot, there are a few decisions you have to make at a relatively young age, and they can help or hinder your progress to seeing those 7 figures in your bank account. Here are 12 crazy ways to make $1 million. Number 1. Become friends with other millionaires. It's been said that we're all the average of our 5 closest friends. If at least 1 or 2 of your friends are already millionaires, you'll have a better chance of joining them. That's because you'll learn how they think and act, particularly toward money. And just knowing such people can be motivating. When you get to know and become friends with real people who are millionaires, you begin to realize the goal is doable. What's more, you can turn to your millionaire friends for advice. And because they're already there, you can trust you'll be getting the right advice. There may even be times when you'll be able to participate in wealth-building opportunities, simply because of the connections your millionaire friends have. If you don't know any millionaires personally, make it a point to begin following some on the web. There are many highly successful people telling their stories on blogs and YouTube. Find a few you like and follow them regularly. And by swapping emails, you might just find a real millionaire friend. It'll be well worth the effort. Number 2. Start dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the most popular ways to make money online. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rising, highlighting its viability as a business idea. With success stories about how an entrepreneur made $60,000 in 8 weeks or how a store owner made 7 figures selling just one product, there's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a real way to make your first $1 million. If you don't know what dropshipping is, it's a business model where you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product to your customers on your behalf. With Shopify dropshipping, you have access to millions of products that you can add to your store. Some Shopify dropshipping apps allow you to handpick your product images, edit item descriptions, and give your business a personalized vibe, so people will love shopping with you. Number 3. Start a YouTube channel. If others can make money from YouTube, so can you. The highest paid YouTuber is Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, who uploads bizarre stunts on his YouTube channel, which made him $54 million in 2021. Another high earner is Jake Paul, who's made $45 million on YouTube by sharing high-energy prank videos and boxing content. His YouTube and boxing career fame helped him use his influence to make money online beyond his YouTube earnings. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche so you can build a strong, loyal audience. For example, you can create makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, create prank videos, or anything else you think there'd be an audience for. The secret to making money on YouTube is to create content that people want. Create witty headlines to entice people to watch your videos and use keywords in your description to optimize for YouTube search. Once you've reached the 1,000 subscriber milestone, you can officially monetize your channel with YouTube ads. Number 4. Become an influencer. Building a personal brand can also help you make money online. Did you know soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo charges between $880,259 and $1 million, on average, for a sponsored Instagram post? While it may seem like reality stars, singers, and athletes are the biggest influencers, keep in mind that even smaller-scale influencers can make more money today than they did a few years back. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following. The best platforms to get started on: Instagram and TikTok. Some of the biggest non-celebrity influencers often gain their first taste of exposure on these platforms. You might want to check out how to get more Instagram followers if you want to build a big Instagram audience. To make money as an influencer, you can charge for sponsored posts, create your own online store and sell products, add affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, sell ads on your own podcast, make and sell merch, get paid to appear at events, and more. Number 5. Create an online course. Selling courses is one of the best ways to make money online. If you're an expert on a subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating courses online. You can sell your course on Udemy or, if you already have your own audience, through your own website. Some entrepreneurs earn as much as $5,000 per month with online courses. To create a popular and successful course, take inspiration from trending courses in your niche. Then, look at the reviews. What are the aspects that people praise, and what are the things people hate? How can you create something better than what's already been created? Focus on creating content that solves the biggest complaints while emulating the positive aspects people rave about. The platform you sell your course on will determine how to best make money. If you sell your course on Udemy, you don't have to do much to promote it. You can almost set it and forget it. Maybe promote it to some blogs or on social media networks. However, if the course is hosted on your own website, you might want to run ads to promote the course. You can also build an email list to promote future courses without needing to pay for marketing. Number 6. Create an ebook. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, it's never been easier to publish an ebook. All you need to do is write the ebook, format it, create an ebook cover, publish it, and promote it. In 2013, I created several ebooks on Amazon, and even though it didn't make me rich, I still made some money from it. You can choose to hire a writer for your ebook, a graphic designer to design the cover, and a manuscript editor to eliminate errors from the content. When researching the topic, focus on keywords based on popular searches on Amazon. I often use the keyword tool, which allows you to find the words people use while searching so you can craft your title around them. To generate sales for your ebook, focus on marketing tactics that are proven to attract customers. For example, you can give the first few copies of your book away for free. This helps you create buzz on social media and get some reviews, which helps you gain customers via social proof. Other effective strategies for promoting your ebook include influencer marketing and video campaigns. Number 7. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the oldest methods for making money online. People who love writing tend to start blogs with a niche focus. For example, a blog about procrastination, cars, dropshipping, toys, etc., is often a narrow enough focus to build a loyal following and big enough that you can cover a lot of ground. You can start a blog on various platforms, from Shopify, remove the checkout feature, so you don't have to pay a subscription as you build it out, to WordPress. When you start your blog, focus on very specific keywords with a tight focus and continue to expand into other but still relevant categories as you grow, and dominate new spaces. This will allow you to build a massive blog over time. Remember that design is also important for making a good first impression on visitors. Here are 20 blog design inspirations to help you launch your blog. There are several ways to make money blogging. You can add affiliate links in your posts, don't forget a disclaimer. You can monetize your blog by placing ads strategically in your posts. Sponsored posts can help you make money from specific brands, this is popular among review bloggers. Bloggers can also sell digital or physical products on their websites. You can also use a blog to build a personal brand that helps you get speaking gigs, television deals, or big contracts from clients. Number 8. Create an app. If you're not a developer, you're probably looking at this money-making idea and feeling a bit stuck. Fortunately, though, you can hire someone with programming skills to build an app for you. Sites like Toptal will connect you with plenty of app developers who are open to working with entrepreneurs to turn their vision into reality. All you have to do is come up with a unique app idea, identify the audience you want to target, and create a brand image for your product. The programmer you hire will take care of things on the development front. When it comes to making money on your app, your best bet will be to add it to Google Play and the App Store. And while it may seem counterintuitive, having a free app can help you make more than a paid app. With a free app, you can add ads or premium features to help you make money. Since the free app will attract a higher volume of people, it'll be easier for you to upsell them. Number 9. Become a Twitch streamer. While Twitch started as a gaming platform, it's quickly evolving to include other types of content. Nowadays, Twitch streaming is an increasingly popular way to make money online. To make money fast on Twitch, you'll need to grow your following. If you're consistent, streaming on this platform can help you build a sizable audience fast. You'll need to find a popular game or channel that isn't overly competitive so people can easily find your content. In order to get people to notice your streams, you'll need to have a consistent style for your channel. Is it going to be funny, educational, or entertaining? Choose your path and stick to it. Number 10. Buy and sell domain names. If you regularly buy domain names but fail to use them, you can always try to sell them for a profit. Selling domains is ultra-competitive, though. If you own a oneword.com domain, you'll have a better chance of selling. Words that have a high search volume sell well too. Also, domains that are on trend now have a better chance of selling. For example, a few years back, fidget spinner domains were an easier sell than they are today. You can search for domain names and buy a custom domain through the Shopify domain registration platform. You can sell your domains on GoDaddy's domain auction. Look through the domains with the highest bids to see what type of domains sell well. It'll help you know whether or not your domains are worth selling and how much money you can make selling them. Number 11. Sell real estate. Investing in real estate has long been a path to wealth. However, it's much easier to initially invest in real estate in lower cost of living areas. If you live in San Francisco or New York City, you might want to invest in an up-and-coming area. Paula Pant, owner of personal finance blog Afford Anything, is building wealth with a real estate portfolio. Save enough to make a down payment on a rental property with a strong positive cash flow, she said. This means that after you pay the bills, there's money left over to go into your bank account. Over time, as you pay off the mortgage, you'll ultimately own the property outright. Pant suggested starting with one property and repeating until you reach $1 million. Before we continue, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn your post notification on so as to never miss any video. Finally, last but not least on our list is max out your 401k. The government gives you a wealth building gift, the 401k account. Here's how you can use it to make your first $1 million. Enroll in your employer's program and invest the maximum amount allowable by law, that's $20,500 for 2022, and an additional $6,500 catch-up contribution for those over age 50. You gain an immediate reduction in your taxable income for any contribution to the 401k. So if your income is $60,000 and you contribute $19,500, you're only taxed on $40,500. As long as the money remains in the account, it grows and compounds tax-free. In practical terms, if you contribute $19,500 annually to your 401k and earn 7% by investing in an average stock mutual fund, you will be a millionaire in 23 years. Invest less or earn a lower return, and it will take longer to make your first million. You don't need to be the next Richard Branson to make your first million, said Grant Bledsoe, founder of Three Oaks Capital Management and blogger at Above the Canopy. Just take what the IRS gives you. If you're able to use any of the 12 ways mentioned in this video, you'll likely become a millionaire in just a few years. But even if you choose to focus on only one or two, you're highly likely to reach millionaire status at least at some point in your life. You can choose the fast track or the slower one, it's up to you. Let us know in the comments section below which one of these you'll be giving a try. We'll see you on the next one.